Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you set up Autopay for your American Express credit card bill. In order to set up Autopay for American Express or Amex credit card, you first of all need to log into your account or logged into your American Express app once again. Once you're logged in, you just want to make sure to go to the payment and select manage pre-authorized payments. After which you have to enter your US-based bank account details, choose your payment account and select the payment day as well. Once you've done this, you could simply go ahead and set up Autopay for Amex credit card and bill. And this is how you're supposed to do it. So if you are not able to do it, you just want to make sure to look for more options available. And that's how you should be able to set up Autopay for Amex credit card bills. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.